Okay, guys, so we're going to go in with the Bare Minerals and Color Wheat, which I already added a little bit into my eyes. And then we're just going to go in the crease and blend it in there. So we're going for a cat kind of look, so. I'm going to go in there. I already have those eyes, you can see, like. Ooh, this is so pigmented. Oh my god. Okay. Then I'm gonna go in with this the Ulta brush right here. And I'm gonna add a little stellar right here. This one right here. A little shiny little color. And I'm gonna add it right in the middle. I'm gonna be using only 2 colors because it's a cat look, so just 2 colors. Okay. Then I'm gonna go into my other eye. Oh, I love this. Oh my god. I'm loving it. Traviesa. Ow, mi pelo. Okay. Next, I'm going to be doing my eyeliner. I'm going to be using the Revlon Color Stay right here. I'm shaking it a little bit. And then I'm just going to go in here. I like to do this on both so they could be already ready. And we're just gonna go in there. Okay, they're both ready. I added more down here. So I'm gonna go in with the Urban Decay. Okay, I really love this Urban Decay. It's just amazing, you know? Okay, next thing we are gonna add, so next thing we're gonna start doing our, you can see my daughter in the back. She's like, hey, how y'all doing? Anyways, okay. Where's my, okay. So next thing we're going to be adding a little bit of white into my eyes. I'm going to grab the Bare Mineral again. And then I'm going to grab a little bit. Okay, I'm going to be grabbing this brush right here. It's really thin. And I think I'm going to be grabbing the color Ivory right here. And then I'm just dabbing it in there. Dabbing it in there. And I'm just going to add it underneath. Oh my god. Okay. I thought I had an eyeliner white. I'm going to be adding a little bit up. Because why not? Oh my god. Okay. So I'm gonna be grabbing my eyeliner right here, and I'm gonna start doing my my nose. Oh, hopefully I do this right. I feel like My nose is not gonna come out right. Okay. I'm gonna be using my thing, cause you guys, you could also do this with your like actual paint. I don't have actual paint, so I'm working it with this. So I'm just gonna go. I'm gonna make a line straight down. Right there. Like that. And then I'm gonna go with this So Shun. I don't know what's name. I ordered this online and it's in color black. So I'm gonna do my top lip. I love it because it's like, oh no. Oh my god. I just totally messed up. Okay. I'll be right back. Okay. Hello. How are you? She's like, what's going on? Okay, then I'm gonna go with the Kamadu right here. Long lasting waterproof lip gloss. And I'm gonna go do the under. I feel like I should use like a, hold on, mama. Do I look weird? ¿Me miro rara, mami? ¿Cómo me miro? ¿Cómo me miro? She's like, you look goddamn weird. Okay. Now I'm gonna be grabbing this again. And I'm gonna be adding the whiskers. So I'm guessing like right there. And then I'll be adding little dots. Because, you know, little kitty cat has little dots. Okay. Next thing I'm gonna do, I'm actually grab my eyeliner and fix my eyeliner a little bit more. Hey, no. Like so. I am going to be showing you on the light, don't worry. So y'all could actually see it much better. But right now, this is what I got. Okay, and then I'm going to be grabbing my, I'm still going to put lashes and everything. Don't worry, I'm getting there. You know what, actually, yeah, let me curl my lashes since we're in this right now. Let me curl. Curl. She's weird. Okay, and I'm gonna be using these are from China, and we're gonna go dramatic, you know. Let's go dramatic. Let me put them on and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I'm back. I have my lashes on already. So we're gonna go in with the highlight. I'm gonna be using the e.l.f. Heart Defense right here. It's so really pretty. And I'm going to be grabbing my e.l.f. highlight brush. And this one has two colors, this one and this one. So I'm going to go in with the lighter one, which I think it's cream. It has coffee and cream. That's what it says. So, and then I'm just going to, right there. Ooh, look at that highlight. And then I'm going to go in the other side and just, and obviously right here on my nose. And then I'm grabbing this little brush right here, so thin. And I'm just gonna be adding highlight under my brows right here. You know what? I'm gonna be adding a little bit under here. Just a little tiny bit. Bring that up a little bit. Why not? No, you always gotta go extreme. Look at that highlight, you guys. Oof. It's amazing. Amazing. Okay. So next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna be grabbing. Okay. I'm gonna be grabbing this brush right here. And I'm actually, oh girl, sorry you guys. I'm actually gonna be applying like a, kind of like a gold color in there. Oh god. Kind of like a gold color in there. Cause I'm gonna be, okay, this one, perfect. Okay, I'm gonna be adding this Color 24-Hour Tattoo from Maybelline. It's like this pretty color right here. You can see it right there. I'm grabbing the brush, and then I'm gonna be, where's my, okay, can I borrow this? Thank you very much. And then I'll be grabbing it and just applying little dots of it in my skin, because I'm gonna try to do like kind of like a cheetah kind of look, you know. Gonna add more in here. Let's try to make it uneven. Okay. Oh yeah, I really can't see it. Okay. I'm gonna show you on a little bit. I'm just gonna do it on one side. And then I'm gonna be adding with the same brush. I'm just gonna fix it up and clean it. Me grabbing a brown one. So I'm gonna be underlining it, and I'm gonna be using again the Bare Mineral, and I'm gonna be using a brown color. So I'm gonna go with wheat color. Oh shoot, my hand. And then I'm just gonna put my brush in there, and then kind of like underlining it. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I'm gonna grab the Bare Mineral, and I'm gonna be color wheat, what I used in my eyes. And I'm just gonna underline the gold sections that I did. Hold on. So grabbing that wheat color, I'm underlining all of those gold colors. You could always add a little bit more, make it darker, or keep it light. You see, it's on top of my highlight, which I'm gonna probably pop a little bit more. Add another one in there, but it doesn't have anything, but I'm gonna add golds in there. I'm gonna add a little bit more over here towards my eye. And just dab it in there. In here. You guys, she likes looking at herself in the mirror for some reason. She just does that a lot. So I'm gonna go back in with the Maybelline 24 Hours. I'm just dabbing my brush and just dab it in the middle. The ones that I didn't apply in there. And I'm going to be adding a lighter color in my lip. I feel like I should add a lighter color because that one didn't work very well, or it does, but my black is going down. So I'm going to go in here. Hey, no, mama. And then I'm going to go again. In there. Okay, I need to get me one of these in black because apparently the black does not want to stay. So I'm going to be using this in this color. It's just numbers, you guys. They really don't have any. And it's not really black because I don't even have black. You know what I'm going to do? Oh, I know what I'm going to do. I'm actually going to add kind of like an eyeshadow thing. Yes. That's what I'm going to do. Okay. So, I'm going to be grabbing this brush right here. And grabbing the palette. I'm grabbing VIP right here. Because... oh, great. Ugh. Ooh, okay. That looks great, you guys. Except that little mistake, yeah. I really don't need... okay. So, you guys, then you're left with this look right here. I will be showing you in the light, so hold them up. Dile bye. Okay, guys, then you have this look right here. That you could use for Halloween. Easy and simple. I'm loving it. I think I should add a little bit more black in here. I feel like it needs it. But I love it. What do y'all think? Tell me what y'all think below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos. I do DIY, so stay tuned. I want to do a DIY of custom shirts, how I do them. But I'm not sure yet. We'll see. But you guys, if you like this look, give it a thumbs up. Comment below. What do y'all think? Do y'all like it? Do you not? What do y'all think? And don't forget to subscribe, you guys.